Welcome my dear student in this video. Now here we try to discuss the SHIP register. As we know that the register is nothing but if we can design, if we can combine the 8 flip-flop in a series, it forms one register. Now the combination of flip-flop is called as simply a register. Here we have a question, that is what is the application, what are the applications of SHIP register, and draw the circuit and explain the 3-bit SHIP register. First, we try to understand what is SHIP register. A SHIP register is a storageable device that is used to storage the binary data. When the number of flip-flops are connected in series, it is called as a register. And a single flip-flop supposed to be a stay in one of the two stable states, that is 1 or 0, or in other words, the flip-flop contains the number 1 or 0 depending upon the state in which it is. A register will thus contain a series of bits which can be termed as a word or as a byte. If in this register the connection is done in such a way that the output of the one flip-flop forms in the input to the other, it is known as the SHIP register. The data in the SHIP register is moved serially, and the SHIP register can be built using RS, JK and D flip-flops. The various types of SHIP register are available. Some of them are given in below. That SHIP left register, SHIP right register, SHIP around register and a bidirectional SHIP register. And there are two ways to ship a data into register, serial or parallel, and serially two ways to ship the data out of the register, and this leads to the constructions of 4 basic type of register, that is serial input, serial output, that is SISO, serial input, parallel output, that is SIPO, parallel input, serial output, that is PISO, parallel input, parallel output, that is PIPO. There are two ways to ship the data into register, that is serially and parallelly. According to that, there are 4 types: SISO, SIPO, PIPO, PISO. Now there are some applications of SHIP register. The SHIP register is used in a parallel to serial converter, which convert the parallel data into serial data. It is utilized at the transmission section of analog to digital converter ADC block. The SHIP register is used as a serial to parallel converter, which convert a serial data into parallel one, that is DAC block. SHIP register along some additional gates generate the sequence of zeros and one. Hence, it is used in a sequence generator also. The SHIP register are also used as a counter. There are 2 types of counter, and based on the type of output from the rightmost of the D flip-flop is connected to the serial input. Those are the ring counter and the Johnson counter also. Now the 3-bit SHIP register is as shown below using JK flip-flop. These types of JK flip-flop cascading K to J, K to K, Q to J and Q bar to K with a clock in a parallel leads an alternate form of the SHIP register. A serial input, serial output SHIP register has a clock input and has a data input and also data output also. In general, the other stage output are not available, otherwise it will be a serial input parallel output SHIP register. The waveform below applicable to either ones and proceeding to the version of serial input serial output SHIP register. There are 3 pairs of arrows to show that the 3 stage of a SHIP register. Temporary storage, 3 bits of data and delay it by 3 clock period from input to output. A clock time TA is for data of a 0 clock from D to Q and all the 3 stages, in particular D flip-flop and D of the stage A second in a logic 0, which clock to QA. At clock time T1, a data in 0 clock from D to Q and all 3 stages in a particular D stage of A second. This is logic 0, which is a clock to QA, where it remains until time T2. At clock time T2, a data in of 1 is the clock from D to QA At the stage of B and C, A0 feed from preceding stage is the clock to QB, Q and QC. At a clock time T3, a data in of 0 clock from D to QA goes low and stay low for the remaining clocks due to data in being 0. QB goes high at T3 due to a 1 from previous stage. QC is still low after the T3 due to a low from previous stage. In this way, this chip register, that is 3-bit chip register, will give it work, which is also shows in that waveform structure also. Okay, thank you very much.